Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can boost your Facebook page or Facebook post using virtual MasterCard. We know that Facebook is a number one social network and we can promote our product on Facebook in paid, and we can increase our sales and better response from our customer in a short time. So everyone try to promote their product on Facebook, but here is a problem, that is, we know that Facebook does not allow virtual MasterCard since 2017. But in this tutorial we will learn how you can promote your page or post on Facebook using virtual MasterCard. So this is a simple way. First, you need to log in on your Facebook account, and you have a page on your Facebook account, or you can create a page or under your Facebook account. So I'm already logged in my Facebook account, and this is my page, that is Online Education Aid. And now I'm going to on my page. So I'm clicking here. After clicking this button, you will be redirected on your page. So you can promote your Facebook page or post on this page directly, or you can go to the ad manager by clicking on the drop down menu, and you can click on advertising on Facebook. Thus we want to promote our page or post directly from our Facebook page. So we no need to go on the Facebook ad manager directly. Here is our Facebook post. I'm trying to find out. So this is the post I'm trying to promote. First, you need to log in on your Facebook account. Then you need to enter your page, and then you can select your post, what post or which post you want to promote on Facebook, or you can promote your page by clicking the promote button. But I'm uh, interested to promote a post. Those This is a video, but I'm interested to promote a post. Okay, so so this is the post I'm trying to promote. Okay, so I'm clicking here, boost post. Okay, post. Okay, you need when you trying to promote on Facebook in first time, you must accept their advertising policies. Once you break their advertising policies, then your account will be suspended, and Facebook actually never back the suspended account. So be careful about your uh, campaign when you're trying to promote on Facebook. Actually, I mean campaign means the Facebook post. So this is the post, and here is a target. Here is the option. You can target your audience by create a new audience by clicking here, or you can place your ad on automatic, and after that here is a duration, actually how many days you want to run this ad on Facebook. I'm interested in 7 days. You can start your campaign for only 1 day, and this is the total budget. Okay, here is 31 by default, and you can increase or decrease your budget. So okay, here is $50. This is my budget, and here is a currency. You can change your currency what you want, but I'm interested on USD, so this is the default currency. And now you can click on boost button. I'm clicking here. Okay, okay, it's loading. Okay, now you need to enter your virtual mastercard. Actually I'm entering my mastercard details. There is a card number, and here is the expired date 0222. Okay, after entering the credit card details, now you need to click on the continue button, and I'm clicking here. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it's loading. You must have a balance on your card. Actually too many people are interested on virtual mastercard, but they keep zero balance on their card. And Facebook actually now sent a transaction uh, request on your card. Once they get its blank, then the Facebook actually suspended the account instantly. So please keep about 3 to 5 USD on your card balance, and after that please try this card on your Facebook account. And this ad is in review, and once the ad will be approved, and they will notify us. Okay, so we need to wait about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. They will Facebook will review the ad, and once the ad approved, then the ad will be run instantly. Facebook has been approved our ad, and we can check out our approved ad by going to the ad center. You can click here to check your ad has been approved or not. This ad has been approved, and it will be run as soon as possible. And you can now you can go to your home button, and you can see here, see by going to the see more button. I'm clicking here, and please wait, it's loading. Okay, so I'm clicking here see more, and here will be automatically added the ad manager option. You can click on this button, or you can click on the drop down menu, and you can click on the manage ad. Clicking ad manager. Once you click on this ad manager, Facebook will be redirect you on Facebook advertising platform, that is Facebook ad manager. And here you can manage your ad, and you can check out your billing threshold, and you can do everything on Facebook advertising. Here is a ad we have created about 1 hour ago, and now it's active. So actually we can check out our billing threshold by click on the ad manager, and here is a billing option, and we need to click on this button, billing. It's loading. Okay, it's loading. Actually Facebook ad manager is a heavyweight software, online based software, and it's loading slowly as Google Ads. So now you can click on the payment setting. Okay, here you can check out your billing threshold limit and your Mastercard, which card actually added. Okay, those there are no uh, dollar has been cost on Facebook ad. So here is the billing threshold is 0. Once the ad run, uh, here will be $25 threshold limit will be comes, and this is the primary payment method. So now you can go back to your Facebook account, and you need to wait about 1 or 2 hours to run your campaign. Sometimes it take time to running the ad, but normally it's running instantly after approved. So hope this video is useful for you. Actually this is the basic video about virtual Mastercard. Many people thinks that virtual Mastercard actually not working on Facebook advertising, but I am trying to show you that virtual Mastercard is still working on Facebook as a postpaid ad manager. So hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new in our channel, then please subscribe us. In the same time, if you have any question about this video, then please leave your question in our comment section. We will replay your questions as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with the new topics. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.